Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Crimson Desert game crashing, crashes startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. Whether you are playing the game on Xbox X series or S series. Here follow the steps. Now the first fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. And after following all the 4 steps, you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check if your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here we go. The first step is make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear Crimson Desert cache files. So press Xbox kite button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Crimson Desert game and highlight it and then press menu and then select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray. Click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, then navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now after following all the 4 steps, now you can go ahead and launch Crimson Desert game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now fix 2 is to remove and re-add accounts. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the problem and then select remove. Now re-add your account and after adding your account, launch Crimson Desert game and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and then check if the problem is solved or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Fix 4 is to run Crimson Desert from store instead of running the game from Xbox Home. To do so, type Crimson Desert in search bar and then click on it and then click on launch game and check. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it. And then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again go ahead relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now the last solution is to reinstall Crimson Desert. If nothing seems to work, then last solution is to uninstall Crimson Desert from Xbox console, then fresh reinstall it and then you can go ahead launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Crimson Desert game crashing, crashes startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.